Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about
How to survive in hostel.
Hey, come on, baby! Come on!
it can be engineering hostel, MBBS hostel, any hostel, it doesn't matter. The thing is, you have to survive in it. Yeah. That's my note. Well, like I have listed down few points, and all that points have 2 to 3 sub points. So we are going to discuss about that. So first one is the essentials.
Okay.
So in essential comes extender, the power strip. Like if in your room you just have only one socket, so you need an extender because a room can have 2 or 3 people. So multiple plug points is very essential. One for your laptop, one for your phone.
Several days later.
So power strip is very important. Second one is snacks. Imagine
Flashback.
you are in your hostel and it is like 11 p.m., 12 p.m. and suddenly you are like, shit man, I didn't eat properly at dinner. I have to eat something. So that time what comes handy? The snacks. Yeah, so we should have one small stock of snacks. It can be either homemade or from shop.
It doesn't matter.
सुकून का नाम सुना है हाय हाय
You should have, and also you have to keep that snacks away from your friends.
Emotional, damn it!
Like if that snack is like very tasty snacks, so for sure it will be finished very early. So you should have like moderate kind of snacks.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And third one is toiletries. So sharing your body soap. Yeah, so like we should have one soap, washing powder, everything we should have. Like if you talk about washing powder, it's the Nirma washing.
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Not that much. Like cloth washing powder.
Flashback.
So in hostel, what generally happens is you will buy one washing powder, and that washing powder will be used by some other person. Can be your friends or some random, like your friend's friend.
What?
So yeah. So if you buy anything, you have to keep it securely. That is also one point. And basic medicine. So like anything can happen in hostel. Like you are not having food or you have traveled somewhere and you came to hostel. Suddenly you got fever, headache.
Please help me. Here too much raining.
So or even your friends can have that thing. So for that, like basic medicine is very essential.
अच्छा.
So you have to keep a stock of that also. The second topic is,
Roommates and boundaries.
so communication is the key. Like if your roommate is your friend, then it doesn't matter. You can talk anywhere how you want. But if your roommate is a random person, so you have to be like very friendly with him. Like fighting, beating them, throwing out of the room. It's not a good decision. Yeah, and you should respect your roommate's personal space. Like I hope you understand what's mean by personal space. And third one is surviving mess food. Yeah. So like find the good days. So like in weekly we have 7 days. In that like you take like 4 days are like good foods and 3 days are like something they are giving. You don't know what they are giving, but something they are giving.
बस भाई बस अब मुझसे नहीं होता.
And you can't eat that something. So what you can do is on that particular 3 days you can eat somewhere else.
Oh my God!
The motto is your stomach should be filled. That is what in hostel the motto is.
Okay.
And customize your meal. Yeah. So like what I do is I will take ghee and achar at every night when I go for dinner. I take ghee and achar with me because without those two things like the hostel food won't
6.5 hours later.
not possible. Yes, that is one thing. And healthy snacks. Like once you come to hostel, like you will find junk food everywhere. Maggi, biryani, this, that, there. So many things are there. So eating fruits, having a healthy meal, sometimes like weekly once or twice a week is like good for you and for your health also. So like try to eat healthy also. Fourth one is never fight with water. Verbal is fine. Physical is like the last resort. Okay, because Fighting with warden can lead to suspension, expulsion, anything it can lead. So we have to be careful with that. Just do your work, let them do your work, don't mind them. And fifth one is balancing studies with fun. So you should have a proper time management. Like sometimes what happens is you are on your bed, you are scrolling, you are chatting, you are doing something. Suddenly someone will come, they will say, come bro, we'll make something. We'll eat Maggie, we'll play badminton. So anything can happen at any time. So you have to be ready with that.
Acha.
Also like study groups, having study group, yeah, it is like very important. People like me, like I am not that good in studies. So for me, like studying group is like without that, like I won't pass exam. Like I need someone who can explain me certain topics. Like what I do is I study only important questions. Okay, like if we have two options, like what mostly we do is we will guess. Yeah, so in exam these two question will come, this three question will come. In that if I study these two, surely I will pass. So I am that kind of person. I will study only that two questions. I won't study whole syllabus. Nah, that is like
Several days later.
like mostly we start studying like 2 or 3 days before the exam. Yeah, so we have to find one study groups who can explain the topics very clearly to you. And lastly is you have to learn how to say no. Imagine a situation.
Flashback.
Like just now you came from your home or somewhere from school and you are like broke. Okay, like once in a hostel life, like there is a day where like there's a week, there's a month where you don't have money, you can't spend unnecessary spendings. So that time you have to learn how to say no.
No!
What may happen is like your friend will come, they will say, come bro, let's go and have something. Okay, so like you don't have money and he's saying, come bro, let's have something. So that time you have to say no. Like the cravings will come. Like bro is saying we have to eat, even my mind is saying I have to eat, but you don't have money, then how will you eat? That is the thing. So you have to control your emotions. Control. These are some of the hostel things which you have to keep in mind. So if you like the video and enjoyed it, then do like, share, subscribe. If you are not subscribing, yeah, so please do that. And thank you so much. Bye.